make some hamburgers. I'm going to chop the onion in our Turbo Chef. I've got the chop it bucket here for the scraps. So to start with, I just chop the onion. Peel the skin off. Pop it in there half the time, the lid on, and away we go. So much easier than chopping up by hand, and there's no tears. So the longer you go, the finer it is. That looks pretty good. Show you that. Whoops. And that's pretty fine. So that goes in there. Other bit, so it's actually got 3 blades to this. They're very sharp, so you've got to watch your fingers. Other bit. Chop it in half and half again. All in there, put the lid on, and away we go again. You can actually feel it get a little bit looser when it gets finer, so you kind of have an indication of when to stop when you, however fine you want. That looks exactly the same as it did before. Another look there. See, that's nice and fine. Again, no tears. Scrape it out and pop it all in there. You get more tears mixing it up actually. Okay, that then can be just rinsed and it'll be clean. Okay, so I'm back. I have mixed that up. Some nice minced meat. And I've actually used a simple spoon. I love this spoon. It's in our range at the moment for silver and gold members. You get a whole set of our utensil tools for $99. So just go to my link on the Facebook page. It's linktr.ee/Ange and that will have everything that you need to shop with me. Now, what we do here is I just take a bit. I've got our Hamburger Press here and our little squashy thing. So we pop a little bit of mix in there and then we simply squash it down. Just like so. Once it's squashed, you take that out and you have a perfect made hamburger. Then with the set comes extra trays. So a little bit more mince. Saves so much time when all of a sudden you decide, oh, I want to have hamburgers. Getting into the meal prepping. So again, just press it down like so. And again, we have a perfectly made hamburger. Then with these, they actually stack together and seal as you go. So you get 6 trays with the Hamburger Press. I did actually another couple from the spare parts part. That's only for consultants. Which reminds me, you could also become a consultant, become your own consultant, and get that beautiful kit for $3.49. And if you qualify, you'll receive the free knife block. So a little bit more of that, another squash. And seal it onto there. Another one. So it's actually quite fun. Now, that one onto there. Then lastly, actually not leastly, because I've got more mince here that I can stick at. After one more there. So if you're really clever and you're really fussy, you could always weigh it out and have them perfect, but I haven't got time for that today, so they are just random. There's another one. So that made 6, and I've got enough there for another one in there. And then all I do is simply pop that lid on there, and then that goes in the freezer, all individual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I'm ready to have hamburgers for tea, all I do is pull them out, pop them in the fridge for a bit to defrost, and then I can cook them and use them. And it's so easy. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.